Yes, I will. I can release a report of the FDA test done. The analysis of the rice, of course, will be done uh, further, but the initial test for this type of rice and the test for starch has just been received by us. We will release it, and the rice which we are talking about is totally safe, and it is rice. It is not any other thing else.
Sir, is department is contacted Benali MLA for alleging this plastic rice, for asking him for that rice which he is found?
No, the rice which has been indicated in the press and in various sections of the media was found to be from a certain fair price shop. So the question of taking a sample from any private person does not arise. Question of taking a sample from the source, which is our fair price shop. We will only take sample from our fair price shop. See, as far as the operations of food and civil supplies department is concerned, on an average 3,000 tons of food grain is distributed in Goa per month through around 455 fair price shops. If you convert it into kgs and convert it into bags, which is 50 bag per kg, around 60,000 bags are being distributed. You know, sampling is sampling. You cannot physically verify 60,000 bags. We will never end. But sampling is definitely done. Tests of samples are taken. So in 60,000 bags, there may or may not be some other type of issues which have been raised earlier. But as far as this issue of plastic rice is concerned, we will assure people that there is no concept of such a rice. It is just miscommunication, misinformation, and you know, the appearance of this rice when it is fortified may look different. People should be aware. We will also release advertisements in the newspaper how to identify this rice, how to look at logo which shows that fortified rice. This consumer awareness has to go on, and we will in right earnest start this awareness. Been constantly advising our fair price shop owners, if they find a certain batch of rice or a sack of rice out of these 60,000 sacks of rice which we distribute per month is apparently through visual means of bad quality, they can keep it aside. There is no shortage of rice in the state. We have enough stocks in our godowns. To keep it aside, we will replace this. This message has gone to all fair price shop owners. Food inspectors have been asked in each taluka to talk to fair price shop owners and make clear of our stand to fair price shop owners. If there is, even by visual inspection, the fair price shop owner feels that the rice is of an inferior quality, or if he feels that it is contaminated, he need not distribute that sack. He can keep it aside, wait for our food inspector. We will check and we will replace his